Welcome to Timely Contract. Real property, real solutions. My name's Art Mackenber. This is the second in a series of Timely Contract educational videos. In this video, we'll first discuss the application of limited scope legal services to the practice of real estate law. Second, we'll take a look at the role of the scope of service in the provision of the Timely Contract solutions. And finally, the 4 Timely Contract limited scope legal solutions will be introduced. Let's start by saying that limited scope legal solutions are not new. Simply put, limited scope legal solutions offer the client a limited menu of legal services, as opposed to the full spectrum of legal services available in a traditional legal environment. As an experienced real estate attorney, you might be skeptical of the limited scope model as applied to real estate legal problems. You might think limited scope legal services are relevant to other practice areas where templated legal solutions are the norm. But every piece of land is unique, you say, and every client requires a unique legal solution. I hear you. How can a limited scope model be up to delivering legal solutions adequate to the challenge of real estate law? Over the course of thousands of real estate client interviews, I came to see that however diverse and complex the legal solution, the root cause of transactional legal problems are actually quite few. This insight allowed the development of the Timely Contract online platform, simplifying the client intake process and delivering order requests to the TC certified attorney's desktop. We deliver the order request. You deliver the correct solution to the client. Simply put, the Timely Contract limited scope legal solutions offer the real estate client an a la carte menu of legal services, not the 8-course meal. So often clients have a couple of questions, need an addendum, or are just wondering about a title exceptions document filed in the recorder's office. Their legal need is small, but critical to the success of the real estate transaction. The Timely Contract platform guides the potential client to the correct TC solution for order request upload and intake client processing. Once you get on the phone for the first attorney call, you will help identify, clarify, and prioritize the legal needs most critical to the potential client. A scope of service is agreed upon. The scope of services expressly defines the legal work to be performed and expressly excludes the attorney from performing unrelated legal work. As a TC certified attorney, you become a part of the client's real estate team. Your role in the limited scope legal environment is not unlike the title officer, the home inspector, or the water well tester, all who are providing a limited service that identifies common problems and reduces risk for the buyer or seller. Okay, let's get to the 4 solutions. These descriptions are an overview only. Videos 6 through 9 will go through each solution in detail. Let's start with TC Review. TC Review delivers answers to legal questions regarding a signed real estate contract or regarding documents to which the client is already committed. The attorney receives the order request with documents attached for review. The first phone call allows the attorney to identify, clarify, and prioritize the potential client's concerns. After the potential client engages the services of the TC certified attorney, the attorney calls the client in 4 business days to discuss their legal analysis and answer the client's questions. Questions like, would you explain to me the indemnification paragraph? Or, can you explain this default provision? Are questions where TC Review is the correct Timely Contract solution. Next up, we have TC Drafting. TC Drafting delivers custom drafted documents for real estate when boilerplate language won't do. The attorney receives an order request, usually with a document attached. The attached document may be a template of a contract or other real estate related document the client used in the past but is in need of a modification. Or it could be a wish list of contract terms and provisions, or it could be a signed contract requiring a modification. The first phone call allows the attorney to clarify the potential client's concerns. After the potential client engages the services of the TC certified attorney, the attorney emails the client the drafted document within 10 business days. Then, a second phone call answers the client's remaining questions. Questions like, I need a different time window to conduct this due diligence item, or can you write a contract modification? Are questions where TC drafting is the correct timely contract solution. TIER. TIER. What is TIER? TIER is Title Insurance Exceptions Review. TIER delivers a written legal opinion of exceptions documents found at the county recorder's office. In my experience, the major cause of buyer's remorse after the real estate close of escrow are the invisible legal risks represented by TIER-related documents. The first phone call allows the attorney to clarify the potential client's concerns will actually be met by the TIER analysis. After the potential client engages the service of the TC certified attorney, the attorney emails the client the TIER legal opinion within 4 business days. A second phone call answers the client's remaining questions. So on the first phone call, if you hear questions like, I need to understand this easement deed, or can you tell me if this record of survey affects my use of the property? These are concerns where TIER is the correct timely contract solution. Our final offering is TIER Plus. TIER Plus develops a custom-designed legal due diligence analysis of federal, state, tribal, and/or local rules, regulations, and laws. It is designed to address specific legal due diligence concerns that arise regarding information located outside of the local county recorder's office. These may be local building or zoning laws, tribal laws, FEMA flood zones, local health department rules on septic, and other land use considerations. Questions like, can you find out how old the septic system is for this parcel? Or, can you tell me whether there are cattle leases or Endangered Species Act provisions affecting this lease? Are concerns where TIER Plus is the correct timely contract solution. The next video will address knowing when the TC solution doesn't fit. Timely contract, real property, real solutions.